Steam is by far the most popular game distribution service on the planet, rising in popularity over the last 2 decades. However, if you're just getting started with PC gaming, well, what exactly is it and how do you use it? Well, first off, Steam at its core is just an online storefront where you can buy and play games from. It began back in 2003 as a way for Valve to distribute their own games, and I don't think Valve need too much of an introduction themselves, given how they're responsible for some of the most important franchises in gaming like Half-Life, Portal or Counter-Strike. Well, at first it was just an optional way to buy games completely digitally. It wasn't until Half-Life 2 in 2004 when Steam was actually required to run the game. However, the app definitely wasn't off to a great start. After patching things up by 2005, other developers started to notice and got onto the Steam hype train, also listing the games on sale on Steam, seeing how people were able to easily pay and download games from the internet without having to go out and actually buy them, making it pretty convenient. Add to that plenty of sales, great social features and much more, and while there's too many reasons to list why Steam has become so popular. So what exactly can you do on it apart from just downloading and buying games? Well, you can also use it to launch games that you didn't buy from Steam, because it has a special add non-Steam games features, as you can see right here, which allows you to add non-Steam games to your library so you can manage all of your titles from the same list, making it way more convenient, even if those other games still require their own launchers. Apart from that, it also has plenty of great community features, like being able to add friends and very easily invite them over into your games, as well as receive invites from others, plus plenty of other expected social features like customizable social pages and much more. Another big thing with Steam is Steam Workshop, which is its mods platform baked right into the core Steam app. Basically, for any games that support it, players can list and then download mods for the game directly from Steam and have them instantly installed as well. So no messing around with files, no going to third-party websites for mods. It's all right there and very easy to do. And of course, Steam has gone beyond just software to the realms of hardware with the Steam Deck, a handheld that is meant for running your Steam library on the go. Plus, Valve are constantly experimenting with other Steam integrated devices like VR headsets, controllers, and even an upcoming home console. So if you want to get started, simply head over to steampowered.com and then download the Steam software itself, which is available on Windows, Mac, Linux, as well as also mobile versions, so you can keep track of things like your social pages and whatnot on your mobile devices as well. So that's pretty much everything you need to know about what Steam is and how to get started with it. So if you found this video helpful, maybe subscribe to How to Authority for more like this in the future.